COVID world, it took a lot of preparation, a lot of planning, a lot of work on this Snowbirds part to make sure that we could provide you this opportunity. In this world, it's difficult to pull off traditional kind of events and activities with the guidelines in place, but we wanted to give you some semblance of a normal high school homecoming experience. So it may look a little different, but I'm glad that we're able to do it. So I hope you guys appreciate that. And as I said on the announcements this morning, don't let me down. All right, I want to take a moment and tell our parents and remind everybody, even those on Facebook Live, that these students that are represented here today are more than just pretty faces, okay? This is much more than a popularity contest. There were some very stringent criteria that were put in place in order to be able to be considered for a homecoming candidate. So these students are scholars, they're athletes, they're artists, they're civic-minded young people. Those criteria included grades, attendance, behavior, and so with that being said, they are in fact pretty faces, but they also exemplify the best of the best at THS. They are all well-rounded, wonderful young people, and we are lucky to have them here on our campus. One more reminder for our students, it's homecoming and excitement is appropriate. It is fine, I encourage it, but I don't want the excitement to be to the level of rudeness or disrespect. So please cheer for our candidates, but make sure that that cheering is appropriate. We want to make sure that every candidate and their parents have an opportunity to hear their name called. So with that being said, and without further ado, I'm going to turn it over to Ms. Kirby, and she's going to introduce our Homecoming 2020 candidates. Go Tigers!
Good morning. Today we will begin with our freshman representatives. Our first freshman Princess representative is Ramsey Clark. Ramsey is the daughter of Roddy and Shannon Clark. Ramsey is a member of the THS varsity softball team and Fellowship of Christian Athletes. In her spare time, she likes wakeboarding, tubing, and playing softball and volleyball. A fun fact about Ramsey is that she loves to hunt. She would like to attend Auburn University and pursue a career in the medical field. She is escorted today by Troup Cummings. Ramsey Clark. Our second freshman Princess representative is Lacey Tucker. She is the daughter of Stephen and Andrew Tucker. Lacey is a member of Future Farmers of America. In her spare time, she enjoys cooking, shopping, practicing cosmetology, and mud riding. A fun fact about Lacey is that she has a twin sister. Lacey wants to attend the University of Georgia and become a nurse practitioner. She is escorted today by William Ellington. Lacey Tucker. Our last freshman Princess representative is Cassie Wade, the daughter of Richard and Debbie Wade. Cassie could not be with us this morning. Cassie is a manager for the Varsity Tigers wrestling team. In her spare time, she enjoys helping people and mud riding. An interesting fact about Cassie is that she has been to Germany, France, and Spain. Cassie plans to attend college and pursue a career in the medical field. Cassie Wade. Our first sophomore Princess representative is Cassidy Bagley. She is the daughter of Kimberly King and Keon Hughley. Cassidy is a member of THS JROTC. Her hobbies include cooking, shopping, traveling, and working. An interesting fact about Cassidy is that she reads and writes poems. She plans to attend Tulane University to become a pediatric surgeon. Today, she is escorted by Cadet Captain Mason McCartney. Cassidy Bagley. Our second sophomore Princess representative is Morgan Doman. She is the daughter of John and Sonny Doman. Morgan is a member of the THS varsity volleyball team, Fellowship of Christian Athletes, Interact, STEM, Young Life, and Rosemont Baptist Youth Ministry. In her spare time, she enjoys hunting, cooking, playing volleyball, and watching baseball. A fun fact about Morgan is that she has a very big family. Morgan plans on attending Kennesaw State University and becoming a lawyer. She is escorted today by Chris Moore. Morgan Doman. sophomore princess representative is Sage Lofton. She is the daughter of Brent and April Lofton. Sage is a THS volleyball team, is on the THS volleyball team, Fellowship of Christian Athletes, Young Line, and a member of the First Baptist Church on the Square. She enjoys spending time with family, playing volleyball, and watching football. An interesting fact about Sage is that she was a competitive dancer for 3 years. When Sage graduates, she plans on attending the University of West Florida. She is escorted today by Will Thrower. Sage Lofton. Now we move on to our juniors. Our first junior princess representative is Camilla Dunn. She is the daughter of Tim Dunn and Latoya Black. Camilla is a member of Beta Club, Student Council, and Family Career Community Leaders of America. She enjoys do-it-yourself projects, cooking, and dancing. An interesting fact about Camilla is that she loves to travel with her family. Camilla plans on attending Spelman College and becoming an OBGYN. She would also like to have her own foster care organization. Today she's escorted by Dorothy Wortham. Camilla Dunn. Our next junior princess representative is Nyaja Fitzpatrick Hart. She is the daughter of Dominic Fitzpatrick and Charles Hart. Nyaja is a member of the THS varsity basketball team and a varsity cheerleader. She is a member of Fellowship of Christian Athletes, Student Council, and Beta. Nyaja enjoys helping her friends with their problems, working, and playing sports. A fun fact about Nyaja is that she has her own eyelash business. She plans to attend Alabama State University to become a forensic anthropologist. Today she's escorted by DeMonte Reed. Nyaja Fitzpatrick Hart. Our last junior princess representative is Kimora Riggins. She is the daughter of Latoya Riggins and Jeffrey Moore. Kimora is a member of the THS track team, a varsity cheerleader, and JROTC. She enjoys working, tumbling, and being a camp counselor for Camp Viola and Windshade. A fun fact about Kimora is that she likes making brownie and cake jars and spending time with her big sister. Kimora plans to attend Georgia State University to become a labor and delivery nurse. Today she's escorted by J.C. Copeland. Kimora Riggins. Now we will see our seniors. Our first senior queen candidate is Emma Claire Doman. She is the daughter of Brian and Monica Doman. Emma Claire is a member of the THS varsity competition cheer team and a THS sideline cheerleader. She is a member of Student Council, Beta, National Honor Society, Distinguished Young Women, Fellowship of Christian Athletes, Treasurer of Interact, a Troup ambassador, and member of the yearbook staff team. In her little spare time, she enjoys painting and being with her family. A fun fact about Emma Claire is that she has a really big family that she doesn't get tired of. Emma Claire plans to attend college and major in early childhood education, and today she's escorted by Tyler Kitchens. Emma Claire Doman. Our second queen candidate is Nyla Hubbard. She is the daughter of Hubbard and Anthony Anderson. Nyla is a Troup ambassador, a member of National Honor Society, Student Council, She's Dope, and Interact. She enjoys spending time shopping, getting pampered, helping in the community, and trying new things. An interesting fact about Nyla is that she likes to blaze her own path and does not follow the crowd. Nyla plans on attending Florida A&M University to major in business administration so she can inspire young women and be a positive role model. Today she's escorted by Xavier Maddox. Nyla Hubbard. Emily Johnson is our next queen candidate. She is the daughter of Alan and Samantha Johnson. Emily is president of Fellowship of Christian Athletes and president of Interact, a member of the National Honor Society, Student Council, Beta, and Distinguished Young Women. She is also a member of the THS varsity softball team, a Troup ambassador, and Teeter Road Baptist Church youth group. In her spare time, she enjoys photography, painting, playing sports, and spending time with her youth group. A fun fact about Emily is that her favorite place to be is at the 215 with her youth group. Emily plans to attend Mississippi State University to major in early childhood education and minor in history. Today she's escorted by Tyson Duncan. Emily Johnson. Queen candidate Taylor Kennedy. Taylor is the daughter of Amy Kennedy and Joey Ortman. Taylor is the treasurer of National Honor Society, the clarinet section leader in the THS Tiger Marching Band, a member of the Tri-Young Music Honor Society, and a varsity golfer. She enjoys reading, playing her PlayStation, hiking, riding dirt roads, and just having fun. A fun fact about Taylor is that she can beat anyone and everyone in a burping competition. Taylor plans to attend the University of Georgia and major in marine biology. She is escorted today by Royce White. Taylor Kennedy. Our next Queen candidate is Annabelle Macker. Annabelle is a member of the THS Theater Department, where she has been an ensemble member since 6th grade. She has been part of one-act play and has had leading roles in shows including Judy B. Jones and Tarzan. Annabelle enjoys singing, dancing, painting, and drawing. Fun fact about Annabelle is that she loves being creative. Painting, crocheting, playing guitar, you name it. Her future plans are to attend Columbus State University to major in musical theater with a minor in education. Today she is escorted by Justin Dawson. Annabelle Macker. Queen candidate Garniciana McCullough. She is the daughter of Alicia Hill and Darnell McCullough. Garniciana is a member of the THS dance team, THS track team, and THS basketball team. She enjoys going shopping and decorating. A fun fact about Garniciana is that she can make you smile on your worst days. Garniciana plans to attend either Clayton State or Kennesaw State University and obtain a bachelor's degree in interior design. Today she's escorted by Kelvonte Billingsley. Garniciana McCullough. Godiva Meredith is our next Queen candidate. She is the daughter of Anaya Trofield and Gregory Meredith. Godiva has been a member of the THS JROTC for 3 years and is a member of Family, Career, and Community Leaders of America. In her spare time, she enjoys shopping and traveling. A fun fact about Godiva is that she has a shopping addiction, but likes to save her money and spend her mom's. Godiva plans to attend Kennesaw State University to become a labor and delivery nurse. She's escorted today by Jakari Ward. Godiva Meredith. Our next Queen candidate is Azia Merriweather. Azia is the captain of the THS Fierce Dancerettes and the THS tennis team. She is also a member of Educational Talent Search and National Honor Society. In her spare time, she enjoys reading, watching surgery videos, and making people happy. A fun fact about Azia is she's what you call a sweetheart. Azia plans to attend Emory University and become an orthopedic surgeon. She is escorted today by Petradion Moss. Azia Merriweather. Queen candidate Emily Reed. Emily is the daughter of Chris and Desiree Walker. Emily is a member of the THS softball and basketball teams. She's also a member of the Key Club, THS Theater Department, and a Troup ambassador. In her spare time, she enjoys drawing, playing sports, and spending time with family and friends. An interesting fact about Emily is that she has 11 siblings and wouldn't trade them for the world. After high school, Emily plans on going to college and majoring in early childhood education. Today, she is escorted by Jose Medrano Campuzano. Emily Reed. Our final Queen candidate is Landon Sheets. She is the daughter of Jason and Randy Sheets. Landon is a member of the THS varsity volleyball team, National Honor Society, Beta, Fellowship of Christian Athletes, Friends Club, and Young Life. She's also the Secretary of Interact, member of the yearbook staff, a Troup ambassador, and Secretary of State ambassador. In her spare time, she enjoys photography and going to West Point Lake. A fun fact about Landon is her parents were going to name her Landon no matter if she was a boy or a girl. Landon plans to attend Auburn University to become a nurse anesthetist. She is escorted by Hamilton Betty, Landon Sheets. Now we move on to our King candidates. Our first King candidate is Majowski Buckner. He is the son of Wanda Buckner and Bill Harris. Majowski is co-captain of the THS SEP team, a member of SHARP, the THS Chorus, Triumph Music Honor Society, Family, Career, and Community Leaders of America, and a counselor at Camp Viola. In his spare time, he enjoys shopping and baking. A fun fact about Majowski is his big, bubbly attitude. He likes to make people smile. Majowski plans to attend Kennesaw State University to become a labor and delivery nurse. He is escorted today by Alyssa Barton, Majowski's mother. Trey Mosley is our second candidate for King. He is the son of Charles and Shakani Mosley. Trey is a member of the THS varsity baseball team and works after school at Urgent Care Clinic. He is a member of Confidence Missionary Baptist Church, where he is a leader in the youth and young adult ministries. And he is also a leader in several outreach and diversity programs in the community. Trey's hobbies include fishing, playing paintball and video games, and watching classic movies and sitcoms. An interesting fact about Trey is that he loves dogs and one day wants to open a rescue shelter for abandoned dogs. Trey plans on attending college to major in sports management so he can one day work in sports marketing. He is escorted today by Ramaya Rutledge. Trey Mosley. Our next senior King representative is Daniel Oropeza. Daniel is a member of National Honor Society and Freedom Sound Ministries. He has participated in one-act play and is the president of the THS Theater Department, where he has held leading roles in Beauty and the Beast and Tarzan. His hobbies include acting, singing, playing piano, and basketball. A fun fact about Daniel is that he is trilingual. After graduation, Daniel plans to attend college to major in theater or software engineering. He is escorted today by Mackenzie Miller. Daniel Oropeza. Our final senior team representative is Colton Webb. He will not be with us this morning. He is a member of the THS varsity baseball team and Fellowship of Christian Athletes. His hobbies include fishing and playing baseball. An interesting fact about Colton is that he is colorblind. After graduation, Colton plans to attend the University of North Georgia to study sports medicine. Colton is the son of Chris and Melissa Webb. Let's give all these young women and men a big round of applause.
Thank you, Ms. Kirby, and thank you, juniors and seniors. You did an absolutely perfect job, as I knew you would. One more round of applause for these fantastic tigers.